Hello kids. It's time for vehicles. This is a car. Car takes families from one place to another. This is a bus. A bus carries many children to school. This is a truck. A truck carries heavy things from one place to another. This is an ambulance. It takes sick people quickly to the hospital. This is a fire truck. It helps firefighters put out fires. This is a police car. It helps police keep us safe. This is an ice cream truck. It brings yummy ice cream for kids. This is a tractor. Farmers use it to work on the fields. This is a motorcycle. It runs fast on two wheels. This is a scooter. It is small and easy to ride. This is a bicycle. You ride it by pedaling with your feet. This is an airplane. It flies high in the sky. This is a helicopter. It flies with spinning blades. This is a ship. It carries people and goods across the sea. This is a boat. It sails on rivers and lakes. This is a garbage truck. It collects waste from our homes. This is a bulldozer. It pushes heavy things on the ground. This is an excavator. It digs soil and rocks from the earth. This is a hot air balloon. It floats slowly in the sky.
This is a train. It runs on tracks and carries many people.